You can start the modeling in this chair. Okay, are you ready? I want to start modeling in this chair. Okay, drag and drop in this JPG or PNG image over this any of viewport. Okay, so just drag and drop. Then 3ds Max will ask you a bitmap file was dropped into a viewport. The apply as an environment or a viewport background. So okay, environment means it like HDRI map. Okay, environment map. So we are not interested for this. So uncheck this here, and a viewport background. So I need a viewport background. So make it okay. Okay, in that way you are able to put your reference over here, but here is some problem. This image is stretch. Okay, so you are not fixed here. So that's the one method, but you need to you need to a very proportional image according to this viewport. So we are ignored this method in that case. So I wanna reset this 3ds file. So go to the file and here reset. Yes. Okay, so I ignored this thing. We just create a plane over here from front view. Okay, and maybe you can put your reference in proper measurement. So I ignored the measurement for now. So just drag and drop over this plane in your reference, and then you are able to adjust. If you need any adjustable, you can adjust it like proper proportion and proper scale, and then our reference is ready. Just we want to watch here, Alt W for full view. Then we want to start our modeling part. Okay, so just see like this. So when you go for a modeling like this product, so you want to focus properly. So how to start it? So how to start it that would be easy for you. So what would be the starting point? Okay, so I guess first of all maybe we're create this leg, and then basically this is symmetrical. Okay, so in 3ds Max, very smart, you can maybe just create one part of this furniture, maybe create just one side, then you are able to make it mirror or make it symmetry. Okay, we are able to apply in symmetrical modifier over here, then we are able to create like this. But in basic, as you a basic learner, you need to try to make it full modeling in this side and over this side. It would help you to clear your workflow and navigate 3ds Max properly. So let's get started. Just I want to create this leg first. So go to the shapes here and then make it for line. Okay, so here maybe I want to go to front view, F3 G. Okay, so as a reference I put line according to this reference. So when I need to active auto grid now, so just make it yes like this. Okay, so you are able to create this leg like this. So but the problem is this is a perspective view, so we are not sketching or creating the perspective over here, so we are in front view, so you need to make it total front side. Okay, so when you face this problem here, so press shift and J, so hide this unexpected line over here. So then yeah, shift and J for jug. Now you can make it like this, and then yeah, shift and J, and then you need to chamfer this part. So select the vertex and then make it here. You can't find the chamfer over here, so you need to go to the properties, line properties, here chamfer. Okay, so not chamfer, fillet. So now you are able to make it fillet like this. Okay, as you can see over here. Okay, our this portion is ready. Now you need to make it this support in back support for this backrest. So create it like this. Maybe you can make it from another line, or in 3ds Max 2023 here is an amazing option. You can maybe use this thing. Just select the vertex and press shift and then drag. Okay, it works just in 3ds Max 2023 and 24, so no need to make it another line and attach it, that lengthy process. So just select one vertex and then shift and drag. You are able to create an extension in this line. Okay, got it. So and then another, I press shift and then drag another, so you are able to create another vertex over here. Okay, then first of all you need to maybe make it corner, for the corner like this. So just see the reference. Can you hear me properly? Okay, so please attention, look at this. Okay, so we're try to make it like this. Okay, so also here and little curve and little fillet over here. So select the vertex and another fillet over here like this. Okay, I think maybe okay, or little push in x-axis. Okay, so our this part is ready, but it more wider here like this. So when you have a proper measurement, you can create a rectangle or line as a reference, and then in this way you are adjust this side elevation in a proper measurement. Okay, so now we are ignore the measurement, just create a model. So this part is ready. Now here you can create another, you can copy this part for another side. So just shift and then drag, then copy it, not instance. Okay, so now we are try to learn how to connect this rod like this. So that's the very interesting method will. So first of all you can do this thing in very way that you can make it like select this object and right click, make it refine. Okay, so click refine, and this refine option you are able to create a new vertex any of your need, and then select this vertex and then shift like this and then by snapping you can adjust over here like this. Okay, this is the option. And another, okay, okay, so just select one of vertex in this object, and this maybe you need a new vertex over this here. Okay, I delete this vertex. So maybe select one vertex, and maybe I need a vertex over here, so right click, yeah, so refine that called refine, and then hold shift, okay, and then drag, hold shift and then drag like this and snap, you can connect like this. Okay, so that's the one method. And another method is you need to attach this two thing, so make it, go to the spline and attach like this. So attach, now it is attached. Now so this support is back side and front side. Okay, so maybe I want to make it the back side, so select a vertex and then refine like this, and maybe another refine here. So later and now select these two vertex and right click and then refine connect. Sorry, I'll make a mistake. So this is the option, instead of refine, now I use refine connect. Okay, so select the refine connect and then click here and opposite here. Okay, then unactive or click over this line, boom. In this option you can connect these two segment like very magnetic way. So again I want to show you that select a vertex, then go for refine connect. Okay, so refine connect, I have make a refine connect over here, and then another, sorry, refine connect, then click here and maybe here. Okay, then click over this line. Okay, then you are able to create like this. Okay, so you need to practice this thing, otherwise maybe you can't observe. And again maybe this is slanting or not straight, so now you can make it straight like this also here. Okay, that's good now. Okay, so this part is ready now. So first of all we are create a LAN, create a proper structure. So after completing this full structure, then we are make it like round thickness later. So now we are we need to connect in like this. So again go to the vertex, refine connect, so maybe here and here. Oh, this is, so there is no backside connected. Okay, so undo it, so here and here. Okay, then you can able to create like this. Go to the front or here left, then you can make it straight. So when you go to the 2D perspective, front or left or top, it's better to active 2.5. Okay, then also Shift J to hide this, unhide all. So I'll show you just two method. This connection, you can make it you can choose the previous option and this option as your wish. So then what we need to improve, so maybe now as you can see here is a seat cover support over here, so maybe you can create in the same method, or maybe now make it a refine over here. So one refine here. So I need no need to make refine because of already have a existing vertex over here. So we make extension by selecting this vertex. So select this vertex and hold shift and adjust over here, attach. So now I can go for 3, okay, like this, done. Okay, and as I understand that your this part is little slanting, okay, so maybe go to the side view, you can make it very simple way like this. Okay, that's actually very interesting method, only for able to create only 3ds max just. Okay, this part is ready. So now another here you need to create like this, so maybe this will weld it from here. So now you can create, so first of all make another refine over here. So refine here, refine maybe here, okay, can you hear me? Hello? Okay. So our half an hour is finished, that's why I close it. Okay, now you start to share the screen. Okay, so now we want to create this rod. So I refined it, then make it corner first, then hold shift and drag like this again, then make it slanting like this and here. Okay, and when I model this object, maybe it will cover. So another you need to create like this from here. So again refine, here, and then you can make it parallel from top view. So select the vertex, then okay, P for perspective, Z for zoom. Again make it corner, then hold shift and create it like this. So go to the front or side view in here. So need to adjust like this. Okay, got it. So it is very near to our reference. So again you can show like wireframe box. So again shift and press J from keyboard. You are able to vanish this. Now you need to create this hand rest. So once you create in this part, maybe 90% done in this chair. So this is a very tricky part, or simple actually, but you need to learn the technique actually. So go to the vertex again. You can make it from here, select one vertex, then another, refine over here, maybe here, then make it corner, then create like this, then again shift and then create. Go to the side view. Then now you can create it, your hand part. Okay, then you need to create it chamfer, fillet again like this. So select the vertex and then go to the fillet, click the fillet and drag like this. Okay, then again this part will also fillet. So make it fillet, as you can see here. Go to the top view. Now you will see how looks it from front for top. Straight these two parallel. Okay, okay, that's good. Shift J. So here this handle part, this handrest part will attached in this rod. So again select this vertex and then hold shift and adjust it here. Go to the 3. Okay, now you're gonna learn a new tool or new technique. Now I will show to you. So maybe in this vertex you wanna weld this vertex to this part or this rod, right? So you need to this two object in weld. So when you see the real life welding, right, like when you weld your rod so you need to proper welding, right? So that now this is very gap, so you need to weld it. So select this vertex or object and go to the vertex and then refine over here. So I want to weld in this two object. Okay, so I need to another refine over here. Okay, then select these two vertex and then right click here, you can find weld vertices. Okay, as you can see, weld vertices. So click here, then it not work actually. So another, you can select the fuse vertices. Okay, so fuse it, then boom, now this two part is welded. Okay, so first of all weld vertex and then fuse vertex, or vice versa, you can fuse vertex and then weld vertex, you can do like this. So this part is ready now. Maybe we'll make some mistake, this is not attached in this part, maybe this will I can't say it properly, so this is maybe also okay. So this part is ready. Now you can make it copy, or just hold shift. Okay, mirror. So mirror, when you apply mirror, no need to model this full object, just need to model half part of this object, right? So I ignored this thing because of your beginner. So when I do it full modeling, you are able to see a lot of thing, right? So very big amount of modeling part, that's why I ignore this option. So after finish this method, I will show you how to model it. Okay, how to mirror it. So control and shift hold and then drag like this, then you can mirror it in particular object. Sorry, not like this, you can't mirror it. When you mirror it, when you want to mirror it, you need to detach this spline from this part. Okay, but you are able to rotate it now. So rotate like this, here 90 degree, rotate, but maybe I need to mirror it actually. So I want to detach it, so select this spline and detach. So you can find detach here. Okay, then you need to move the gizmo over this object. So go to the hierarchy, affect pivot only, center to object, done. Then mirror like this, then attach it by using snap. Okay, now you can adjust or attach it from this object to this object. Okay, it's done actually, almost. This is a mistake, this part will here maybe, so maybe this will also another design, no problem. So now the interesting part will happen now. So now here modify, go to the spline, or just select the spline and go to the rendering. Okay, then enable in render, enable in viewport, boom, you are able to see the thickness of your rod. Okay, Now it is renderable. So you can put the value how diameter in your rod, so maybe it 10 cm, it's too much, maybe 8 cm. Sorry. Sorry, I can't understand you. So can you please tell me again? D5 render. Okay. D5 render. Yeah. Of course. So yeah, these are really 3D, but not now actually. So you need to make it edit poly. Okay. Otherwise, you can't see in D5 or other real-time engine. Okay. So after complete this thing, you just click edit poly. Done. Now, if I start my D5 here, also D5 in my PC. So just I want to show you practically. Yeah, I use Unreal too, but not too much, because in my team also another person here, they are good at Unreal, and he actually basically he developed a game. So he done this all works of Unreal in Unreal and Unity. So I just work in 3ds Max and D5 and Vray Corona and like this. So D5. Okay, I maybe I forget to save this file. So Control is save it. Save it. Okay, after complete this model, maybe I'll try to make open it D5. Okay, so edit poly, no problem, you can apply it edit poly. So our rod is okay. So it is maybe more thickness 8 cm maybe okay. So now I wanna go to model this part. Okay, so go to the top view. So you can start it from box or rectangle as you wish. So I want to create a box over here. So create a box, unactive the auto grid here, make sure it will 2.5. okay, then create box like this, then P for perspective, Z for zoom, adjust it from box parameter, decrease the height like this, also decrease this length, width. Okay, as you can see the reference, maybe this will maybe okay, right? F4 for show all edges. So now you can put some segments over here so that you can make it like this. So that's very simple. I wanna learn after few minutes, no worries. So okay, now if I apply it turbo smooth, so just select the turbo smooth or modifier, search for T and then turbo smooth, then you are able to get shape, get smooth geometry like this. And if you go to the turbo smooth parameter, here is a intersection on segment, maybe you will increase it 5. It's too much actually, no need, maybe 2. So more inter uh, so more segments or more uh, iterations is more smooth edges, more smooth face or geometry. Okay, so in that case I wanna make it 1, and after finish this kind of bumpness or this kind of pressure over here, after you can make it 2 or 3, no problem. Okay, so we need to make it like this. So how to make it? So go to the box again. Now deactive or this turbo smooth, so click this icon. Okay, then go to the edit poly, select the vertices, go to the top view. So again I wanna show. Okay, just select the area that will pressured or that will down a bit, maybe this is the tool. Okay, then I select these vertices. Now just pressure it like in negative in z axis like this. Okay, got it? Just down this vertex in z axis. Now you can active this turbo smooth and you can see maybe this will near like this. So now if I increase the iterations here, iterations, it's look like this. So it's very near to this. Maybe it look like a bit round shape, right? Yeah. So you can also this thing over here, no problem. So maybe select this edges, not vertex. Then here maybe you select the ring, or not ring, just select 4 side edges and then make it chamfer like this. That will enough, and increase this segment a bit, not much. Okay, then active this turbo smooth. Then we are able to get a shape like this. Okay, or this is look like more round, right? So if it more narrow, you need to decrease this segment before using turbo smooth, I think, and maybe the okay. Go to the edit poly, so go to the edit poly or go to the box, maybe decrease like this, delete turbo smooth, delete, decrease some segments. Okay, now apply edit poly over here, edges, just 4 side edge, then chamfer over here. Okay, maybe that will okay, right? So maybe that will good. Now select those vertices and scale it down a bit, then make some pressure over here like this. Okay, okay, now you can apply it in turbo smooth over here. Oh, now it's very close, maybe here. So now you can increase the iterations value over here. Boom. Okay, so it's a bit length, you can scale it up. Okay, maybe this is okay, I guess. So if you adjust or increase some height, then maybe it will work. Okay, again vertex, down it a bit, then active turbo smooth. Okay, so more longer, right? So now you are able to create more or near close to like this. You need to apply the F54 modifier. Okay, now you can control a lot of thing over here. So maybe increase the length like this. Here you are able to very detailed modeling. Now maybe you wanna down it a bit like this way. Like this. Okay, maybe now it is close to you. Close this object. So again you can make it longer. Okay, so okay, so new thing for you, just turbo smooth and F54, right? So you need to practice it properly, then you can create this thing in very easy. Just create a box again like this. Yeah, box, then give some height, adjust it. No need to any segment now. Okay, now you make it like this. Convert it to readable poly edges. Select the top edges and then make it chamfer like this. Okay, Also make it try or uniformly or patch, sorry, again select only top part, not select except the bottom part. Okay, then chamfer, then here a lot of option, quad, so maybe this will quad like this. Okay, quad means like this, or you can make it more smooth by using uh, this uniform. Okay, okay, this part is okay. Now shift again, copy or instance. So this part also done. Now you need to create back rest, so you can create it from this geometry, no need to create another box. We are gonna little cheat over here. Okay, so just you need to model very fast way, right? So a just rotate it. Now delete this again. Now you can apply 2 modifier over here, ff2, then control point, this is more thicker like this and shorter also. Control point, or 10 minutes left, then again class will close. So I need to cover this rod, so push it up, then control point, increase some depth like this. Okay, and here you need to push this vertex only this vertex, maybe like this. Okay, maybe that will practical thing, but need to weld this two rod, right? Otherwise this will not support it, this backrest. So go to the front view, control points, here you can adjust like this. So also you can make it like this, so select the bottom control points and then press R for resize, then like this you are able to create same to same. Okay, now increase the length a bit, also this one. Okay, this is maybe very near. This part is maybe like that not maybe functional, maybe only for design. So just deactivate the edit poly here, and here maybe deactivate this two thing. Then go to the vertex, select this hand rest, this and this. Sorry, it's you need to select the one part only. It more heighter, okay, like this. Okay, maybe this is that will okay. Done. Also adjust this part, vertex, or delete this part. We need to same in this two portion. So again, very simple, detach it just. Okay, then mirror, okay. Then you can attach this spline from this. Okay, now active enable in render, enable in viewport, and edit poly. Then this part will black like material, this also, this one also, and this that will wooden like material. Okay, so that will okay, maybe so just need a leg stopper like this, so you can make it some more detail like this leg stopper. You can create it, is very easy from maybe here cylinder, so decrease the dia here, radius, decrease height also. Okay, now Need more some detail like this, so very easy. Convert it to editable poly first, then select the vertices. So sorry, you need to decrease this too much segments, maybe hide segments. No need to hide segments. Now edit poly or convert to edit poly, resize it like this. Okay, and then connect. For more detail like this, select the polygon, deselect this, and then you can a bit extrude over here. Make sure this is by polygon. Okay, that will okay, I guess. Okay, now this is okay. You can copy it, or as an element you can control and shift hold and then drag like this, so that this whole part is one element. This part will one element. Okay, so when it's selected, this is a attached object. Okay, I guess that's all for today. Just you need to decrease this vertex here